Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, August 15th, and this is my recap of the top videos of the day. And gold versus the dollar came in number 2 today, so we're going to do a quick recap on the 1 hour time frame. If you'd like to see my full top down analysis on gold from this morning, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. So we did have a pretty good push down today, but it did bounce off the 78% Fibonacci retracement of the last push up, technically right here. So we'll see. I mean, I would like to see it break these highs, especially to really believe that it's now going up. But the trend is definitely up on the higher time frames. I'm still expecting that 2500, possibly 2550, 2540 area. So I'm definitely still primarily looking for longs. Like I said, I'd like to see it break these highs to really believe it, but being long right now is definitely nothing wrong with that. So anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.